I'm also the convener of National Peace Campaign. As the previous speakers were saying, this congregation is not political. But today is Democracy Day, and we all know the significance of democracy and good governance in every human society. But we know that the first duty of every state is to protect our citizens. And in that regard, the government seems to have failed in the last 2 decades, even though there have been efforts to fight the non-state actors. But we can see the surge in kidnapping, terrorism, insurgency, and all kinds of crime by the non-state actors. Now we are calling on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to now take another direction towards this problem. We have been doing things the same way. This is the time to change our style. Let the president invest in military researchers, military intellectuals and public intellectuals, so that our research institute, military research institute, can find solutions to this problem. We also need to invest in technology. All over the world, technology has been used to tame crime and the non-state actors. We know that terrorism, the hybrid threats, they are very difficult. Even America is still struggling to contain terrorism. But we know that if our government start up and use homegrown strategy, we can overcome it. So I employ the president to release funds to the military research institute and public intellectuals, so that they can devise curtailing strategies to solving the insecurity problem in Nigeria. Thank you all.
You don't do. One more. Are you going down? Thank you.
Abiola, you say you might be disconnected. Kimulo. Today. Sama. Oh, the Muslim. Who are live? Okay.
Trending on a virus that's eating up. Now we are calling on the government. They came up with a lot of policies like homeland security. Beats you. The Honorable Minister of Interior to call on him, because the homeland security and the interior, they are both in the same shape of policy. And I will employ them. They should look inward how we can legalize gun in a legal way where people can and again, the security apparatus to be in line. Civil defense, I'm calling on road safety should be empowered too, with even the small arms on the road. And so this network of security can be amplified in a very good manner. And today, what we face today is beating. A teacher, a mathematics teacher was killed, and a flag in Nigeria was not in the outfield. It's painful. Today we call on everybody to unite on this struggle to move Nigeria forward. A safe nation attracts investors, attracts a lot of billions of